Quantum computers may sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but they're real and already shaping the future of technology. The exciting news is that you don't need a physics degree to grasp the basics. Today I will simplify quantum computers in a way that's accessible to everyone. By the end of this video you'll clearly understand what quantum computers are, how they work, and why they matter. Let's start with the basics. Traditional computers, like the one you're watching this on, process information using bits. A bit can either be a 0 or a 1, like flipping a coin and choosing heads or tails. Quantum computers, on the other hand, use something called quantum bits or qubits. The magic of qubits is that they don't just choose heads or tails. They can be heads, tails, or a combination of both simultaneously. This is called superposition. Imagine trying to find the quickest route through a maze. A regular computer has to test each path one by one. A quantum computer can explore all the paths simultaneously, which is what makes them so powerful. To understand how quantum computers achieve this, we need to talk about two key principles of quantum mechanics: superposition and entanglement. Superposition is what allows a qubit to be both 0 and 1 at the same time. Think of it like spinning a coin in the air. It's not just heads or tails while it's spinning, it's in a mix of both states until it lands. Now let's add entanglement. This is when two qubits become linked so that the state of one directly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. It's like having two spinning coins that always match, even if one is on Earth and the other is on the moon. This interconnectedness allows quantum computers to solve complex problems faster than traditional computers. So what can we use quantum computers for? They're not replacing your laptop or phone, but are excellent at solving specific problems. For example, they're great for optimizing logistics. Companies like airlines or delivery services can use quantum computers to find the most efficient routes for thousands of deliveries. They're also revolutionizing drug discovery by simulating how molecules interact at a quantum level, something traditional computers struggle to do. Quantum computers are even being used to enhance encryption and cybersecurity. The possibilities are endless, but it's important to note that we're still in the early stages. Think of quantum computers today as the bulky, room-sized computers of the 1950s. They're groundbreaking but have a long way to go. Why should you care about quantum computers? The answer lies in their potential to transform the world around you. Industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation are already experiencing a revolution. Imagine faster medical breakthroughs, more secure online transactions, and better solutions for climate change. Quantum computing has the potential to touch every aspect of our lives, inspiring us with its possibilities. And here's the exciting part. You don't need to be a scientist to be part of this revolution. Understanding the basics now puts you ahead of the curve, whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or just someone curious about the future. Quantum computers might sound complex, but at their core, they're just a new way of processing information. Faster, more innovative, and more powerful. From solving problems that were once thought impossible to revolutionizing industries, they're changing the game. And remember, understanding them is within your reach. Thanks for joining me today to explore this fascinating technology. If you found this explanation helpful, remember to subscribe for more beginner-friendly breakdowns of complex topics. Let's keep learning together.